What if I told you your body is not broken? Your habits are. Are you doing everything right, but the scale won't budge? This is your wake-up call. Truth number 1, you're not in a calorie deficit. Even healthy foods can make you gain weight if you overeat. Log everything. Truth number 2, you're chasing quick fixes. Real change takes time. Think transformation, not temporary hype. What if your body isn't broken? Truth number 3, you're not sleeping enough. Fix your sleep, fix your cravings. 7 to 9 hours. No phones before bed. Truth number 4, exercise doesn't fix bad eating. You lose fat in the kitchen. You sculpt it in the gym. Truth number 5, you're not consistent. Consistency is greater than intensity. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up. Truth number 6, you reward exercise with food. Food is fuel, not a trophy. Truth number 7, you keep starting over. Fall down, get up fast. Progress paused isn't progress lost. The truth hurts, but it sets you free. Subscribe now if you're ready to stop starting over and start building your lean life.